This is Vivo V30e. In this video, let's see what are the things that we get inside the box. This mobile was launched recently and the price is in between 25,000 and 30,000 rupees. This is a 128GB plus 8GB RAM model and the color is velvet red. This is how the box looks like. It's big, which means we get all the necessary things. Peeling off the plastic wrapper, these are the things we get inside the box. First, we have the mobile. Let's keep this aside and we will come back it later. Next, we have a transparent case for this mobile. This is a good gesture that some mobile brands are still providing this. After that, some paperwork is there that no one reads before using this mobile. Next, we have a charger, Type-C to Type-A cable and one SIM ejector pin. This is a 44 watts charger. It's not like other brands that providing a super slow charger even though that mobile is supported for fast charging. Overall, this is like a full meal package for any type of mobile. Now, let's keep these things aside and let's check the mobile now. This is what the mobile looks like. On the back, a big circle shape is there where the cameras are stacked. Oh, by the way, this is a curved panel. Also, I observed that this mobile comes with a screen protector out of the box. I didn't know whether you get this or not. Why? Because I ordered it online and it looks like this mobile was already used by someone. Online things. Now let's turn on the mobile and meanwhile we observe the physical buttons and overview. On the top, a noise cancellation mic is there. On the right, power on or off button followed by volume buttons are there. This mobile has an under display fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, a speaker grill is there followed by a Type-C slot, another noise cancellation mic and a SIM slot. On the left side, nothing is there. Let's open the SIM tray and check what type it is. This is a hybrid slot, meaning you can use two SIM cards at a time or one SIM card and one micro SD card at a time. I quickly set up this mobile. If in case you want to see how to set up Vivo mobiles ads free, I already posted a dedicated video on it. You can check the links in the description box. I completed the setup of this mobile. Now let's shift the refresh rate to 120Hz at all times. This happens with all mobiles. I don't know why mobile brands do this. Now let's check the free storage that we get. I didn't install any apps or click any photos on this mobile. Around 23GB of storage is used out of 128GB. Vivo mobiles showcase and advertise mainly cameras. Their market is all about this. We will see whether this mobile is equipped with good cameras or not in camera review. If you are watching this video lately, maybe I already posted some dedicated videos of this mobile. Check the description box for more video links. Out of the box, this mobile comes with Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14. This mobile is packed with a Snapdragon 6th Gen 1 processor. We will see more about this processor in the gaming review. Coming to the bloatware, these are the apps that you will get. I'm still observing how the FunTouch OS has evolved in the past 2 to 3 years. If you want, you can uninstall some apps too. This is the interface of the camera app. You can record videos at a maximum of 4K 30fps only on this mobile. I post a dedicated video related to every segment of this mobile. If you're watching this video lately, you know what to do. So check the links in the description box. So this is the Vivo V30e mobile unboxing setup and some useful things. Overall, this mobile is a good package mobile. I mean, you get all the required things to use this mobile right after the unboxing.